If you are experiencing issues with your Connecticut electrical contractor continuing education audit, here are some steps you can take to address the situation. Firstly, contact the Connecticut Department of Consumer Protection, the DCP, by calling 860 713 6440. Explain your situation and provide evidence that you completed your electrical contractor audit. Secondly, request a verification of certification from the DCP to confirm that they have received your certificate from your school. Provide the tracking number or proof of delivery through your certified mail if applicable. Thirdly, contest the hearing notice. Respond to the formal hearing notice and dispute the allegations that you did not complete the audit. Submit supporting documentation, such as your certificate and any correspondence with the school. Fourthly, request a hearing. If the DCP does not provide a satisfactory resolution, request a hearing to present your case. Prepare evidence and witnesses to support your claim. Fifthly, seek legal advice. Consider consulting with an attorney who specializes in administrative law. They can guide you through the process and represent your interests. It is important to keep records of all communications with the DCP, including phone calls, emails, and letters. Always use certified mail with return receipt requested when sending important documents to the state. Government bureaucratic processes can be slow, so be patient and follow up regularly to ensure your issue is resolved. Remain calm and address the situation promptly. By taking the necessary steps, you can resolve the issue and protect your license. Ensure you have all relevant documentation, including your continuing education certificate, proof for submission, and any correspondence with the Connecticut Department of Consumer Protection. Document every interaction with the DCP. Keep a detailed record of all phone calls, including the date, time, name of the person you spoke with, and a summary of the conversation. Save all emails and letters sent and received from the DCP. Consider sending a follow-up email after each phone call to confirm the information discussed and any agreed-upon actions. When corresponding with the DCP, always use certified mail with return receipt requested. This provides proof that your documents were received. Keep the return receipt as part of your records. If you are unsure about any aspect of the process, or if you feel overwhelmed, consult with an attorney who specializes in administrative law or professional licensing. An attorney can provide legal advice, represent you in communications with the DCP, and advocate for your interests. Familiarize yourself with the specific regulations and requirements for continuing education for electrical contractors in Connecticut. The Connecticut Department of Consumer Protection website is a good resource for this information. Make sure you understand the number of hours required, the types of courses that are accepted, and the deadlines for completing your continuing education. Ensure that the school or provider used for your continuing education is approved by the Connecticut Department of Consumer Protection. Check the DCP website or contact them directly to verify that the school is accredited. If the DCP claims they did not receive your certificate, contact the school or provider to confirm that they sent it. Ask them to provide proof of submission, such as a tracking number or confirmation email. If the school did not send the certificate, request that they do so immediately and provide you with documentation. If the DCP sends you a notice of formal hearing, it is important to respond promptly and in writing. The notice will typically include a deadline for responding. In your response, dispute the allegations that you did not complete your continuing education requirements. Provide all supporting documentation such as your certificate, proof of submission, and any correspondence with the school. Request a hearing to present your case in person. At the hearing, you will have the opportunity to present evidence and witnesses to support your claim. Prepare your case carefully and be prepared to answer questions from the DCP. If you're not comfortable representing yourself at the hearing, consider hiring an attorney to represent you. Even if you believe the DCP has made a mistake, it is important to be respectful and professional in all of your communications with them. Avoid getting angry or argumentative. Instead, focus on presenting your case clearly and calmly. Keep a positive attitude and be persistent in your efforts to resolve the issue. The bureaucratic process can be slow and frustrating, but it is important to remain patient and follow up regularly. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of resolving the issue and protecting your electrical contractor license. Double-check any assumptions. It is important to avoid assumptions during any government process. Double-check that your school had the most up-to-date information on you, such as current license number and other contact information. There may have been a slight clerical error.